Wesh les Pikachu. Ouais, on va revenir un peu aux bases.
Yeah, wake up about a 6, think about money, think about this. I got nothing on my wrist, but I'll take gladly take your bitch. Ay, ay, ay. Cooper does that beat, yeah. Ay, yeah, yes sir.
Nouvelle vidéo et franchement c'était un de mes concerts les plus attendus, Rich Brian. Brian Emanuel est un Indonésien de 18 ans. 18 ans, mais qu'est-ce que je fous de ma vie? À la base, c'était même pas un rappeur, c'était juste un mec qui faisait le con sur internet. Oui, un peu comme moi. Non, sérieux, il est hilarant, même dans ses Insta Stories et tout, le mec est vraiment trippant. En juillet 2015, il a sorti son premier morceau, Living the Dream. Mais c'est That Sick, sorti en février 2016, qui va vraiment le faire blow up, comme on dit chez les ricains. C'est pas vraiment un rappeur comme les autres, il me fait vraiment penser à Post Malone, parce qu'ils étaient exactement dans le même délire, des mecs marrants qui font du son. Rich Brian, franchement, j'ai du mal à expliquer. À la base, le mec a juste fait une parodie de rap, et en fait, il y a une autre vidéo qui est sortie avec plein de rappeurs réagissant à cette vidéo, et en fait, ils l'ont tous validé, quoi. Il y avait des Migos, je me souviens plus très bien, je vous mettrai un extrait de la vidéo.
Rich Chigga.
Let's get it. This is the hardest nigga of all time.
This is my guy right here. This is Rich Chigga.
You even found a way to say nigga without saying it. It's a genius.
You said when you come for a chigga like me. That was dope.
Nah, this is the hardest nigga of all time.
Il y a d'ailleurs un remix du son qui est sorti avec Pouya et Ghostface Killah.
I can't see, walk, talk, then straight hoe breaking in from the energy I generate. The underground underdog about to fall off into another generation. I was working busting tables, now I got my own squid on the plate. Fuck the fame, baby, I don't wanna live in LA.
I don't give two fucks, I blow big bucks. Strip club, white pussy marks on my black tux. Cause after the party's the hotel lobby, and that bitch gonna give me more head than Steve Harvey.
Et ces deux rappeurs, c'est pas des rappeurs mainstream, c'est des rappeurs plutôt underground. Donc c'était assez marrant en fait de voir qu'ils ont voulu collaborer avec un Indonésien qui a fait rire tout le monde en fait. Et le pire, son album Amen, je vous jure que c'est une pépite. Je l'ai fait écouter à plein de monde, des puristes comme on dit même, et ils l'ont tous validé. C'est abusé qu'il ait réussi à trouver une musicalité aussi juste en fait, sachant que c'était pas un musicien de base. Et contrairement à tous les rappeurs d'aujourd'hui, il va pas se concentrer sur des grosses bases, des 808 et tout, il va plutôt t'emmener dans une vibe en fait. Genre, je pense par exemple au son Cold. À un moment, il y a un solo de guitare là, mais moi je chante la guitare, tu vois ce que je veux dire?
Smoke cities every time I feel the outside. Like the plate shakes, bugging that one nigga new guys. You don't get me, but I don't blame you, I don't get myself. Pressing no keys, got my life so sweet, man. Go fund me, yo, your bitch has been sweet, man. Bumping on these as I try to dig her down. She said, give it to me now when I can't help her listen. She goes, oh, 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 oh. Stick to the east side all over my door. Show some attitude and bitch I won't show. Expectation high, I feel like it drove. 2018, I got some new goals. Not checking my statements till I got 4 mil. Rushing all year like I commit road kill. Killing everybody like I'm in a wrong deal. Do triple check. shit if we do it my way. Everything gon' depend on what I say. Paris makes some fucking
Est-ce que c'est vraiment une guitare? Je ne sais pas. En tout cas, une chose est sûre, le beat m'emmène très très loin. Le concert était vraiment lourd, la salle était chaude comme jamais. Les artistes internationaux le savent généralement, quand tu réussis à foutre le feu à Paris, tu peux foutre le feu dans toutes les autres villes d'Europe. Pourquoi? Bah déjà, pour une raison très simple, c'est que beaucoup de Français ne parlent pas anglais et ne comprennent carrément pas un mot d'anglais. Et en France, on a énormément de rappeurs. La scène musicale est vraiment occupée par le rap. C'est le deuxième marché mondial du rap. Donc si t'es un artiste étranger et que tu réussis à pop à Paris, c'est vraiment que ta musique a réussi à dépasser toutes les barrières qu'il pouvait y avoir.
Y'all ready to turn the fuck up or what? When I say rich, you say Brian. Rich? Brian! Rich? Brian! Rich? Brian! Rich? Hands up, hands up, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, let's go. I'm back with a bad rap, and I'm thinking that the shit finna make them stay. Get a man on the cash, we talk about that right when the night falls. I'm a renaissance man, if you wanna get a feeling like we're singing. No, when you ask them if they got beef with me, DMs blowing up, I always say no business, they ain't free. Watching on your every move, I got that shit on DVD. Flexing all the time, but I just know that you a bourgeoisie.
Et pour revenir sur Rich Brian, franchement, j'aurais vraiment eu le somme de rater ce concert, parce que c'est vraiment, pour moi, la révélation de 2018. Bon, je sais qu'il a sorti d'autres sons et tout, genre. Mais là, en 2018, avec son album Amen, pour moi, il a augmenté son niveau, c'est un truc de ouf. Je le pensais vraiment pas capable de sortir un projet aussi abouti en fait. Après, seul bémol, il est resté que 30 minutes. Bon, je me dis aussi que le mec a pas fait v'là les sons, il a sorti que un album et genre 2 sons en dehors de l'album, je crois. Même s'il y a plein de sons qu'il a pas fait et franchement qu'il aurait pu faire. Je pense notamment à mon son préféré de l'album, Little Prince. Bon, j'espère que vous êtes prêts parce que ce qui arrive, ça va vous emmener très très loin. N'oubliez pas de mettre le pouce bleu des familles, de vous abonner en balle à mon Instagram. Et sur ce, je vous dis peace.
Talk to him, Brian, talk to him! Born in 99 and I got 99 chicks in my crib. This guy like a good new, my body full as fucking shit. Only make the shit that make you listen to the fucking book. Not from Florida, but damn, Brian, damn. Are you guys thirsty? Does anybody want some water? You look pretty thirsty, I'm gonna give you some. Share the water, share the water. Hey, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, let's go! Every day I just be sipping chamomile. Never feel everybody show up cause they know I'm here. Every week, on their face she think they said I fell up in my business. Pull up in my bitch quick. I got people out there loaded like they trip for ISIS. Asking for forgiveness, I never said you had it. Pulling all these things like, do you really want attention? Photo shoot the second I go out. Catch me chillin' with Offset in the luau. Gotta give a resume so I can see what you're about. Fuck your Snapchat, fuck your camera, I need spares like astronaut. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull up there, every day I just got that deal on your pill. Every day I just be sipping chamomile. That's a pill, everybody show it cause they know I'm here. I be on that face, she think it's Cetaphil. Up in my business, pull up in my bitch quick. I got people out there loaded like they train for ISIS. Asking for forgiveness, I never said you had it. Pulling all these things like, do you really want attention? Make some fucking noise! 3, 2, 1. Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! I need my fix. Pull up on you, want you.
Hey, talk to him, boy.
I was just thinking about you when it made me think of colors of the space.
Hey,
70 miles up in my coupe and not a thought. Standing on my brakes. I don't see you go like that. I'm gonna say that I'm proud. Thinking about the times when you would go into my house. Had to let you go like that and say you fuck me up. You live in my head without a doubt.
Anybody looking forward to church on Sunday? I fucking love church. What about you guys?
church is my shit, bro.
Church is my fucking shit. Anyway, this next song is called See Me.
See me run, run into my lungs, my gift. Running for the front, I feel like Usain in this bitch. Passing all these runners, number one is in my list. Blinders on me, I can't even see it, no. See me in my tours by myself. Call me selfish, cause I got me and nobody else. Feeling like I traveled through some time, oh man. Skipping through some years, but I feel right, oh yeah. Getting ready for some blessings coming our way. Forest, running for some days. Hey, my brother called me and told me to man up. Told me to be like those tolerant stuff open, pointed and shut up. Hey, in love with the solo cuffs. I'm on the run, but I love my bones. Still is a home, but I have fun. Let's go. I will never put I'm too legit. Indonesian FC Hammer in the vision. You write my grammar in the vision. I do way too much for you to say my parents' wish. But I'm trying to make it happen. Making real like I don't. All because I'm nice, so they know what I like.
I'm ready to turn the fuck up again. You know, what about you, Chris?
I'm ready. I've been ready, man.
You been ready?
Yeah, Paris is lit, man.
Paris is fucking lit, yo. I want to stay here forever. God damn.
Hey, let's go.
I get right down barrels with a Vicky name. Rose sitting on my lap and she just tryna be my friend. Fucking on the answer when I'm about to call my ass. So I daddy hope I barely see them like a Rambo. You can't get me, I'm going nowhere. And I'm always multiplying like I always for the kid. Think I'm on this the other day. I landed in the States. They don't wanna take all day. I'm just spitting out the mix. She like sipping out that Mason jar. She a hippie, she gon' suffer something no love bars. Let her Vicky got me curious like I'm on Mars. Saying I forgot my roots, goddamn you went too far. Rich Brian, Rich Brian, Rich Brian, Rich Brian, Rich Brian, Rich Brian, Rich Brian.
Hands up.
Let's go! Put his take locks, but you better bitch suck a thick cock. Love it whip walk, hit the strip like a Bangkok. Never ever see me have a trip by the land. See me on the TV's coming bitch, you a damn front. And you don't wanna fuck with a chicken like me. When I pull up in a Maserati, better duck on your brakes, but I want the concrete. One, let's go! Two, let's go! 1, 2, 3, let's go! I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking boat. I'ma pull up with that sticky, hit your motherfucking dog. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking boat.
but I live like I'm from Calabasas. Roll 7 deep, they make my life feel so much like a movie. I don't really know what I'm watching, but I know it's Royce that I'm riding. Go ahead and dream, take some melatonin, it gon' help you sleep. Point it at the target, shoot your shot, walk out in 1, 2, 3.